I know you read the question. कुछ मीठा हो जाए जैसे गुलाब जामुन. So question is, a gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamun, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length of 5 centimeter and the diameter 2.8 centimeter. I explained the question very different types, not solved anywhere. Question number 3rd. If I say a gulab jamun cylindrical in shape and two hemispherical end of total length 5 centimeter and the diameter is 2.8 centimeter. That's the number of gulab jamun 45. Sugar syrup, that is 30% of its volume. So we want to volume of sugar syrup, volume of sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamun. So let's see. If I say in simple word 30% sugar syrup, so we want to the 30% of whole volume means volume of sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamun is equal to, that is the jamun. Okay. So if I say, if first multiply the volume of this whole figure, volume of gulab jamun into 30%. Why 30%? Because 30% sugar syrup. So this whole is the volume of sugar syrup in one gulab jamun, but we have the 45 gulab jamun, so multiply by 45. Then put all the values. 45, 0 cancel. 5 9 is 45, 5 2 is 10. So 9 into 3 by 2, and the volume of gulab jamun, volume of cylinder plus 2 volume of hemisphere, because this is the cylinder and this is the hemisphere. So when we add these all three volumes, we get the volume of gulab jamun. This is same as 9 to 3 by 2. One cylinder, pi r square h, 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. 9 by 3 by 2 into pi r square common, h plus 4 by 3 r remain. Pi value is not given. You can take simply 22 by 7. H value is not given, so find it. Let's see. If I say from here to here is the height, this part is the radius, this part is the radius, because radius is the height of the hemisphere. So where is the radius? Radius 2.8 by 2, 1.4 centimeter. So you can say 1.4 h, 1.4 is equal to 5. Whole length of the gulab jamun is 5 centimeter. So h is equal to 5 minus 2.8, that is h equal to 2.2 centimeter is the height of cylindrical part in gulab jamun. Then put all the values. 9 to 3 by 2, 22 by 7 into radius, 1.4 into 1.4, 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into 1.4. So solve it. upon 10, 7 to the 14, 2 to cancel, 7 to the 14, 2 5 to the 10, 2 5 to 10, 2 11 ja, 9 into 3 into 11 by 7 by 5 into 5, 2.2. Then solve it here. 2 7 is 14, 2 2 is 4. So upon 10, 2 5 is 10, 2 11 is take the LCM. So anything is common? No. Five. So LCM is 15. 33 plus 28. Okay. And solve it. 9 into 3 into 11 into 7, 5 into 5 into, this is 61 by 15. And this cancel here. So we apply whole the parts and divide, so we get answer 338.184 centimeter cube, or you can say 338 centimeter cube approx. Is the 338 centimeter cube is the volume of sugar syrup in all 45 gulab jamun. Okay, pause, we note down. Many students send me question embankment problem. So we have to solve the question. A well of diameter of 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. The earth taken out it is had been spread evenly all around. It is the shape of circular ring of width 4 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. What's the question say? There's the earth. Digging a well of 3 meter diameter and 14 meter dug. This is a 14 meter dug and 3 meter in diameter. And this soil evenly spread outside it to form a embankment. Means just like if I say this, suppose that the well in downside and the hollow part is the well and the upper is the embankment, means side wall in shape of hollow cylinder width is 4 meter. The width of this embankment is 4 meter. So find the height of the embankment. Simple word. Volume of soil taken out from well is equal to volume of soil used in embankment. So pi r square h is the volume of soil, means volume of fill, and the embankment pi h r square minus r square, means take here the small r, this small r, because the radius here small r is 3/2 centimeter upon 2, means 1.5 centimeter, sorry, meter, and the capital R is 1.5 plus 4, that is 5.5 meter. Okay. So then put all the values, pi cancel, small r is 3/2, h length of well 14, small h we want to find them, it's the height of embankment, capital R is, we can say here the 11/2 and 3/2. Okay, it's easy to put the value. 11/2 minus 3/2 into 3/2. So this is cancelled. 3 into 3 into 7/2 h, taking LCM 4, 121 minus 9, and h equal to 3 into 3 into 7/2, 4 come to upside, and this 121 minus 9, so you have to get 112. So 7 on the 7, so it's 42, 4 4 the 16, 9/8 meter, means approx 1.125 meter height of the embankment. Okay, pause, we note down. Let's see next question. A vessel in the form of inverted cone, inverted means ulta. Vessel in the form of inverted cone, its height is 8 centimeter, radius of the top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. This is open part. It is filled with water up to a beam. Whole water is filled. When lead sort each of the which sphere in shape of radii 0.5 centimeter is dropped inside. One-fourth of water is flow out. 1/4 water flow out. So how many lead sorts are dropped into this conical vessel? Means if all lead sorts is dropped here, so 1/4 water is come out. It means simple what you can say, volume of all lead sort is equal to 1/4 volume of cone. Because 1/4 water flow out means the 1/4 water volume is equal to the all lead sort volume. So, if you want to find the number of lead sort, that is total volume of lead salt upon volume of 1 lead salt. So total volume of lead salt is 1 by 4 volume of cone, 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 lead salt volume 4 by 3 pi r cube, because it is shape of sphere. 3 cancel, pi cancel, no cut 4, because that is 1 by 4, and this is 1 by 4 also, because 4 by 1 is on the opposite side, so this is 1 by 4. R value 5 into 5, H value 8, R cube means small r 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 5 cancel, 1 5 cancel, 4 2 is 8, 5 2 is 10, 4 5 is 20, 100 lead salt are dropped in the conical types of vessel which have two. When we put all lead salts, 100 lead salt in this vessel, so 1/4 water is flowed out. Pause video, note down.